The trunk. Work into a magic ring. Wrap yarn around your lead finger. And then bring it up to index finger. Make loop around your middle finger and pinch the crossover of the yarn with your thumb and middle finger. Insert the hook into the loop on middle finger. Yarn over the hook and pull up loop. A magic ring is formed on the middle finger. In round 1, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the loop on the hook. That's a chain stitch. The chain stitch is short as height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 6 single crochets. Insert hook into the magic ring. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the ring. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then yarn over the hook and pull through both loops on the hook. That's a single crochet. Place a marker in the first stitch. The marker should go through both loops of the V shape. Continue to work 5 more single crochets in the same way. Six single crochets are done. Remove the magic ring from the finger. Pull the yarn tail tight to close the ring. Remove the marker. And work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Insert hook into the mark stitch. Yarn under the hook and pull up loop through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook now. Then pull the first loop on the hook through the wrench loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch. The slip stitch serves as a collection. It's not counted into the number of stitches. Round 1 is done. In round 2, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 6 increases. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work a chain stitch first. Then work 6 increases. Increase means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Work 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Mark the first single crochet. Then work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Two single crochets are in the same stitch. 1 increase is done. Continue to work 5 more increases in the same way. We need to work 2 single crochets in each stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 2 is done. In round 3, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work set off 1 single crochet or increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first stitch. Work 1 single crochet and 1 increase as 1 set. Keep working 5 more sets. The second set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The third set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The fourth set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The fifth set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The sixth set, work 1 single crochet. Next, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 3 is done.